Hey there, this is Max AI Alt Text Optimizer. It's a Shopify app that uses AI to generate SEO optimized alt text for your shop images. After you install the app, you will head on the dashboard. Firstly, you can click the scan button and you can see two metrics, your alt text coverage and your max optimization rate. Also, you can see the history of the activities of the app. Now let's head over to the core function of the app. First, you can filter by types, for example, products, collections, and blogs, or filter search for specific images. For optimization, you have three ways. Dynamic format, we use templates to quickly generate alt text based on the variants of your business, like the product titles, product variants, product vendor. It's fast and great for bulk operations. The most important is it's uh, it's always free. Okay. So next, AI optimize. We actually analyze the image's content and your business information. Then it will generate descriptions that are accurate and SEO friendly. The last one, manual edit, give you full control if you want to write it yourself. If you want, you can make a bug optimization in one click. Okay, let's go to setting. This is where you can set up automation and dynamic format template. Turn on automation and the app will automatically scan and optimize your images on a schedule. You don't have to do anything. You can customize your templates, add variables like product title, variant, or product type. There is a live demo preview for SEO beginners, so you can see exactly how it works. But if you choose AI, we don't need that. So what does it actually do for your store? Before optimization, your images have no alt text. Search engines can't see them. The AI not only understands what's in the image, but more important, we made AI know what's in your business. So AI will generate keyword-rich descriptions that follow SEO best practice. This will help your website rank higher in search results and brings more organic traffic to your store. Absolutely. This is Max AI Alt Text Optimizer. Simple, fast, and effective. You can find it on the Shopify App Store. Thanks for watching. Bye.